Alright, Jake Roemers here, coming at you with a bike check for LiquidIceProduction. Guess we'll start off with the bars. I got Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars with 8.5 rise. And then I got ODI long neck grips. And a nitrous trap stem with a kink headset. I got a Shadow Creeper V3 fork with a stolen front wheel, pretty much all stolen. It's got a stolen revolver rim and a stolen revolver hub. Alright, I got a 2011 Deluxe Tech 2 frame with a 21-inch top tube. United PC pedals with nitrous cranks. I think they're the shifters, I can't remember. And I got a Cult OS sprocket with a Shadow Conspiracy V2 interlock half-link chain. Stolen Thermalite seat post with a really old stolen Thermalite seat. I got a Mission React hub with a Alienation Black Sheep rim with orange Kenda contact tires. Pretty nice.